A work of brilliance and talent in moving solutions. Vijay Castor Wheel, a company with a quality environment and a daily commitment since 2005, holds more than 17 years of experience in innovation, design, and manufacturing of wheels and casters. Some choices can truly change the course of things and makes our lives easier. But then, there are small details which can even make a great difference. Just like the right wheel, our specialization is heavy-duty caster wheel where there are no limits for carrying any load. For a reliable service, flexible approach, and fast delivery, it provides a wide range of products like trolley wheel, caster wheel, rubber contact wheel, and machinery parts for handling needs like industrial, institutional, and domestic applications. Also specializes in accurate tests on products for reliability and efficiency. We work to grow. Vijay Castor Wheel.